It is with profound sorrow and deep sense of loss that the Council of Governors joins the entire nation, the African continent, and the global community in mourning the passing of the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, a towering statesman, a freedom fighter, a Pan-Africanist, and a tireless champion of democracy, good governance, and social justice.
The Right Honorable Prime Minister put nation over self and remained deaf to criticism as he fought to save our motherland. We, the people of Nyeri, will never forget Kibaki Tosha. He remains our Jamba.
He always chose the narrow path of uniting Kenyans after the competitive process. It is therefore our prayer, even as we mourn him, that those of us who have been left behind will not let the Prime Minister down.
He was a beacon of courage, the symbol of boldness, and the sign of those who were lost.
One aspect that I've learned from him is being patient and being humble and having the resilience to withstand so many pressures and challenges.
We have lost a defender of democracy. We have lost a statesman par excellence in the name of Raila Amolo Odinga, a defender of devolution. Right now, as a party, I know people wondering what will happen without Raila.
His lifelong struggle for democracy, devolution, and good governance inspired the birth of a freer and a more inclusive Kenya. From the dark days of political detention to the bright dawn of constitutional reform, Raila Odinga's voice was always loud in calling for justice, fairness, and dignity for all Kenyans.
He carried with him the fire of freedom, the courage of sacrifice, and an unshakable faith that Kenya could and must become better.
Right Honorable Raila Odinga was a national icon, a symbol of courage, and a true champion of democracy, whose vision and sacrifice reshaped Kenya's destiny. Throughout his life, he stood firm for justice, peace, and unity, often at a great personal cost.
The Right Honorable Raila Odinga leaves behind an indelible legacy that will guide generations to come. He will be dearly missed, but his enduring spirit will continue to inspire us forward, will inspire us towards the ideals of democracy, unity, and justice that he so bravely championed.
As we mourn Raila Odinga, I remember when we were in Ethiopia, when he lost the AUC bid, his words that lengu, when a tree falls, ndege huyumba, sababu hawajui nyumba zao zitakuwa wapi. Today taifa imeyumba. But we believe in the divine providence of God that our nation will still find focus and space even in your absence.
We have lost a man who have stood for democracy, and he has fought for devolution. That is why we have the 47 counties, and I know so many people in Kenya, and in particular in Narok County, who celebrate the life of Raila Amolo Odinga.
Raila Amolo Odinga gave us the stories of the freedom fighters. In fact, most of the stories we know about Mau Mau, about the first government, we have heard them from him.
We also want to say that the life and times of Baba will be studied by generations and generations to come, and we hope that after this, Kenya will turn for the best. Baba wanted Kenya to have good infrastructure, wanted Kenya to have good history of human rights. Baba wanted devolution to work so that every Kenyan gets their own right. And we hope that to respect the life and times of Baba, as we have rightfully shown across the country, the only thing we can reward Baba is by ensuring that his ideals and what Baba wanted to be done and done properly for the generations to come.
On behalf of the great people of Marsabit and on my own behalf, I want to join the rest of the country in sending my condolences to Mama Ida Odinga and the larger Odinga family, and indeed all the Kenyans who hold this great man dearly. May his soul rest in eternal peace.
Kenya has lost a true statesman, a visionary whose courage, sacrifice, and unwavering commitment to justice and democracy helped shape our...
Baba, you have left us, but your legacy will remain behind. We love you, Baba. Rest in peace.